Malabar biryani is well known for its spices. Soft pieces of fish marinated in spices and shallow fried and then cooked in flavor packed masala rice. How about making a quick Malabar version of this biryani? Let's see what the ingredients are. I'm using a soft flesh fish called amberjack. It's also called moda in Malayalam. You may use kingfish or pomfret. So here I have removed the skin, cut and cleaned, and I have marinated with some spices. Then I have added rice flour for crispiness and shallow fried in the oil. Then you have to thinly slice the onions, chili and the tomato. In the same oil that you have fried the fish, you will add in the onions and saute, followed by the 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic. In the meantime, soak and wash the jeeragashala or chinagura rice. Then saute. You see the onions have caramelized. Now we add in the masala powder and saute until the raw smell of the spices are gone. Now at this point we will add in the chopped tomatoes, saute for further few minutes and add in the chopped coriander and mint leaves. I have used around 1 cup of chopped mint and coriander. So you have washed and soaked the rice for 10 minutes. Now into the masala you will add in the soaked rice. I have used 3 cups of rice, then you will use 6 cups of water. I have used half a carrot, I have just shredded and added, and a slice of lemon. I will pour in the juice and add salt to taste. Check for salt by just checking a bit of the water, then adjust the salt level. Should be perfect, otherwise it's very difficult to add in the salt further. So now remove the lemon rind, and once you cover and cook for few minutes, and once the water has evaporated, we will add in the fried fish pieces on top and again cover and cook for 5 minutes so that the flavor of the fish gets into the rice. Already we have used the oil in which we have fried the fish pieces, so the rice has a good flavor. Now I am going to sprinkle around half teaspoon of garam masala powder, or you may use biryani masala if you have, and sprinkle some more coriander or mint leaves and top it up with a spoon of ghee, rich ghee. This gives a good flavor, so I have used ghee towards the end. You may add rose water or kevra essence, whichever you have. It's optional. Now you will cover the lid with a tight lid and let it cook in the steam for further 10 minutes in a very low flame. So I have covered and cooked. So this is a very easy method. Now what you do before serving, fish out the fishes and fluff it up with a fork. You should not use a spoon, it will break the rice. So see how soft and fluffy a quick biryani in less than 30 minutes is ready. Serve with raita, papad, salad. Do let me know your feedbacks. Thank you.